everyone, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be cooking Haw Flakes sweet sour pork ribs. And of course the main ingredients, these are pork ribs. It's about 1 kilogram of it. And followed by these ingredients, I have garlic, shallot, slices of ginger, sugar, this is about 2 tablespoons, and this is Haw Flakes. And this one is corn flour, about 3 tablespoons. This one is tomato sauce and ground white pepper. This one is Shaoxing wine. I'm going to use to marinate it later on. Okay, stay tuned guys. Of course, there will be salt and Ajinomoto to taste. Alright, now Aunty want to start marinate these pork ribs. This is the ground white pepper, already pounded. Oops. And then salt, a little bit of MSG, and this one is Chinese Shaoxing wine, 1 cup, 1.5 cup. Okay. And this one is corn flour. Okay. Okay, it's time to deep fry it for the second time. This is how already fried for the first time. We just fry it for about 5 minutes like this with hot oil. Then we just take it out. And we will proceed. Alright, Aunty want to make the sauce. So these are the condiments. The shallot, garlic and ginger. As usual, I add a bit of salt to enhance the aroma of the condiments. Stir fry it until it's golden brown. Okay, I add in the tomato sauce. Okay, pour in the hot water. Okay, put in the Haw Flakes. And then sugar. If you prefer it to be more sweet, you add more sugar. So this one we will put it to boil until the whole flakes soft. About 1 teaspoon of salt. It all depends. If you want it a bit salty, you add more. I want to add in the cornstarch for thickening. And then the pork ribs. Let it continue to simmer. Wow. see the Haw Flakes has been dissolved. Alright, see, it's done. And it's time for plating. Stay tuned. Alright friends, this is the endings of Auntie's cooking. Haw Flakes, sweet sour pork ribs. Do try the recipe, yeah? Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. May God bless all. See you in the next video.